Grabe, I really love the energy. Vibe check pa lang yan ha. Grabing energy na ang binibigay ng everybody. How much more mga kabarangay kapag nakita nun niya ang ating mga candidate. But once again, few reminders lamang po para po sa mga nasa kaliwang part ng ating once again, para sa ating mga kabarangay. Sarado na po ang ating voting para sa The People's Choice Award. Good evening once again, Barangay Ususan. Para po sa inyong kaalaman, sarado na po ulit ang ating voting for our The People. Ito, may isa akong katanungan sa iyo mga kabarangay, mga madlang people, mga guys and girls natin na nandito. Pasigaw naman kung sino ang inyong bet. Candidate number lang. Go! Grabe, I really love the energy talaga. Basta taga-barangay Ususan, kakaiba. No? But once again, we also would like to acknowledge the presence of our barangay council, of our SK council, and of course, our beautiful and handsome judges this evening. And of course, the parents also. No, the parents and the children na talagang nag-effort for today's event. And by the way guys, ano po ba ang sineselebrate natin ngayon? To give you a glimpse, bakit pa tayo merong Minimis U 2026? Because malapit na po, this is part.
Siyempre, nagpapasalamat po kami sa mga supportive mommies and parents, families and friends po ng ating mga candidates na nandito po ngayon para sumuporta po sa ating mga Little Miss Beauty Queens. And syempre, nagpapasalamat din po ako sa mga panel of judges, sa aming mga youth volunteers, and syempre, I congratulate our project head for this SK project, sa SK Kagawad Zarian Adriano and SK Kagawad Angeline Mariano. Ayan, papalakpakan niyo naman po ang ating mga SK Kagawad. And ayun po, nagpapasalamat din po kami sa Ususan Barangay Council sa pamumuno po ng ating Wondercat Marie Marcelino, and syempre po sa ating Taguig City Council sa pamumuno naman po ng ating City Mayor, Mayor Lani Cayetano, and Congressman Ading Cruz Jr. So, ayun po, enjoy the show and maraming salamat po muli sa inyo.
Of course, we also have our second judges for our Minimis U Ususan 2026. We have here our second judges, guys, excited about servant leadership and faithful service. Let us give a warm round of applause to Mrs. Criselda P. Cruz. Welcome po so much, Miss Criselda. And of course, hindi din po magpapahuli ang nag-iisang binata o ang ating ginoo sa ating panel of judges we have here. With candidate number 3. Because she's ready to slay the stage. This is candidate number 4. Grabe mo na dancing classes you have right now, baby girl.
My name is Alithaya Donald Santos.
5, number 6.
Hello, Madam Susan. My name is Noela Marie Pigelan. I'm 6 years old. Ang minsan ng 93 Igayo. Naniniwala ang batang makulit na nanay na laging galit. And I thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate Ate Ben.
Ang rating Mini Miss You 2025. Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po ako sa ating Panginoon sa pagkakataon ng makatayo muli sa inyong harapan upang pasalamatan ng personal ang ating punong barangay. Mating naranasan, tandaan, ang tunay na ganda ay nasa kabutihan ng Diyos. Again, I am Juliana Catriona Bautista, your Mini Miss You Ususan 2025. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, our reigning Miss Unique Miss. Lauren Isabel Marcelino. Lauren Isabel Hermoso. Sorry. Congratulations, Tagapagers! For next part of top 3. Ate Martinez! Okay, see you once again. Congratulations everybody. And of course, see you later. Once again, sabay-sabay tayo mag-see you later. Sabihin natin, see you later, girls! Maraming salamat. And then for this beautiful girlies naman, for this beautiful girlies natin, si our 246 girlies natin, let us all appreciate their hard works, everybody. Kaya naman, you'll be receiving consolation prizes natin. Okay, you'll be receiving consolation prizes po natin in courtesy of our SK Council po. Maraming salamat, guys. Talagang yung ano nyo, yung journey nyo dito, yung pagmamagal, you'll be receiving consolation prize and of course token of appreciation from our SK Council. Maraming salamat, girls. Once again, let's give them a warm round of applause, everybody. Sobrang deserving po nila na makarating here on stage. The fact that you girls are here on stage of the Minimis U Ususan stage is really a good achievement na, right? So let's go, picture po tayo with our candidates. Picture po tayo together with our SK Council. Congratulations still our baby girls. Here are your certificates po. Thank you so much. baby girl. Gusto pa, compress pa konti. Thank you so much, Caleb. Next, we have Akim. Next, we have, ready na ba? We have Lola. Sobrang cute, napakaganda. Nako, I really love your outfits, guys. Lapit-lapit tayo, dikit-dikit tayo. Sige, our girlies, dikit-dikit po tayo. Hawak-hawak tayo ng kamay. Okay, hawak-hawak kayo ng kamay. Kasi guys, really know, with the journey they had, with the journey that they nilaan nila dito sa Minimis Yususan 2026, ito na ang pagkakataon. Ito na ang pagkakataon, guys, kung saan. This is the moment. Yung hinintay nyo ng ilang oras, i-announce ko na. But before that, allow me to call on stage. Samahan niyo po ako, our dear judges na talagang nahirapan na i-judge ang ating mga. Makareceive po siya ng Certificate of Recognition, a giveaway, a sash and crown, and at the same time, 5,000 pesos! Ready na ba? Sige, isa. One last shout kung sino. Okay, quiet na. Our second runner-up with an average of 93% goes to Lauren Isabel! Congratulations. Pa-steal daw po ng lights. Pa-steal daw po ng lights. Pailaw daw. Pailaw, guys. Pailaw po. Congrats, pageantry and friendship. But today, isa lang po sa kanila ang kokoronahan bilang Minimis Yususan 2026! Kaya naman, lilinawin ko. Okay? I really love the energy, mga madlang people, but lilinawin ko ni Tehila, ang tatawagin ko po ay ang ating first place. So meaning to say, ang hindi ko po matatawag ay ang ating Minimis Yususan 2026. Malinaw? Okay, malinaw. Our first runner-up to be awarded by SK Council and of course, Miss Irish on the stage. Our first runner-up to be received po ng Certificate of Recognition, a giveaway, a cash in the ground, and at the same time, 7,000 pesos! Our first runner-up with an average score of 94% goes to Caleb Dafne! sa ating award. Tinetest ko lang guys kung gaano kayo ka-excited. Okay, tinetest ko kayo guys kung gaano kayo ka-excited for tonight. Ito na, ready na to, legit na to guys ha. Legit na to, our Minimum Susan 2026! Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to introduce to you our Minimum Susan 2026 Champion! You really deserve it. Okay, deserve niyo po ang inyong awards for tonight. Sige, picture taking po muna with our reigning and of course incumbent namin MSU natin po. Maraming salamat, Kate. Okay, together with our runner-ups. Grabe! What a night! No, what a night mga kabarangay Ususan. It was a blast being with you for tonight in celebration of our fiesta and of course awarding of our Minimis Ususan 2026. Kaya naman, Happy Fiesta Barangay Ususan! Siyempre, bago po matapos ang event natin ito, pasalamatan po muna natin ang ating kapitana at ang the whole barangay officials. And of course, our SK Council, judges, parents and kids, audiences, and of course, yung ating activities po, ibang activities natin, abangan po natin. Kaya make sure to follow SK Ususan Facebook page. Maraming salamat everybody. This is again, Ila Grace Gabrido, your host for Miss Ususan 2026. Have a great night and happy fiesta po. Pwede na po kayong mag-picture. Lahat